How to fix Spotify playing random songs. Hey everyone, welcome back to this new guide video of How to Guide. Now whenever you play a playlist on your Spotify, let me choose a playlist right here. And whenever you play a song in this, and when the song completes, instead of playing the one beneath, it plays a random song. That is happening because you have turned on shuffle. For the people who don't have the premium version of Spotify, you won't be able to turn off this shuffle. So whenever you open up any playlist, you can see this shuffle option on the top. And if you don't have the premium version of Spotify, if you tap on that icon, you can see it says Explore Premium, which means you'll need to get the premium version of Spotify to turn off shuffle while you're playing songs. But if you have the premium version, you can just tap on this icon right here and the shuffle will be turned off. You can, however, turn off shuffle within the website of Spotify using your desktop. But for the mobile app of Spotify, you'll need to have the premium version. So that's how you can fix Spotify playing random songs. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more daily tutorials that we post. I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.